Hi, if you don't want to ever miss an OLLI Boca announcement via email, just follow these easy instructions on how to allow OLLI Boca emails to reach your inbox. I will show you how to add us to your address book from your inbox, from your spam box, or directly into your address book if you don't have an email from us to use. Once you are logged into your Comcast account, click on your inbox and find an email from us. Click on the sender's address, and you notice that this box on the right pops up, and you get an option to add to address book. So you want to click on add to address book, and Comcast gives you a company box for who the sender is. So you can put in anything to help you know who is sending you an email, Osher Lifelong Learning Institute, or our abbreviation OLLI, maybe Boca Raton, whatever helps you. You scroll down, you notice that there is email, and that is filled in because you used an email address, but we want to fill in email to here. So in email to, we're going to write mail at olliboca.fau.edu, and then at the bottom you want to click on save. Now, if you do not have an email from us in your inbox, you want to take a look in your spam box and see if it's not there. So in this list of email boxes, find your spam. Click on spam, and you're going to do the same thing. Click on the email, click on the email address, the box pops up. You click add to address book and fill in whatever information helps you know who is sending the email. Go down to emails, and again, it's filled in. For the first one, you want to add the second one, mail at olliboca.fau.edu, and you're going to click save. Now, if you don't have an email in either of these boxes, you want to go up to the top. Notice that we're in the Mail tab. You want to go to the Address Book tab. So click on Address Book, and you'll see there is this single person with the plus sign, and when you hover over it, it says Create Contact. Okay, so you want to click on that icon, the picture of the person with the plus sign, and you're going to fill in information just like the previous examples. Now this time it doesn't fill in the email addresses, so you'll need to fill in olliboca@fau.edu, and the second email, mail at olliboca.fau.edu, and then you're going to click save. So now, no matter whether you have an email from us or not, you have just put us in your address book, and we are a safe sender. You should receive any emails we send you about lectures you're signed up for, or any other important information we might send you. So thanks for watching.